Hi. We reached an Indian Oil petrol pump. It's a company-owned petrol pump in Gamali. And around now 11 p.m. Today night we are staying here only. Friends, now we completed the Kovalam beach visit. Now we are traveling through the highway. Trivandrum Palakkad highway we are traveling. Our next destination is Tanki Church in Alappuzha district. It's a famous church in Alappuzha district. It will come after Cherthala. When we are visiting Kerala, we will go that church. We will visit there. Because that church is attached with our life. We are very much interested to visit that church, and every visit in Kerala, maximum we will try to visit that church. So now we are on the way to Tanki Church in Alappuzha district. Let's go to church. Today's our next destination is Tanki Church. Let's go. Friends, this is the new Alappuzha bypass. तो आप देख रहे हैं ये तो अभी नया रोड है आलपुड़ा बाईपास करके. तो आलपुड़ा एर्नाकुलम सब सिटी नहीं जाने के बिना we can travel through this bypass, but bypass also so rush. Night ആയിരിക്കും full light. Super. You can watch the sunset also. Friends, now around 7:30 p.m. we reached Tanki Church. Now we are in Tanki Church. It's a famous church. Now we are inside the church. This is the importance, this statue is the importance in Tanki Church. Now we can see the Jesus statue is there, means that laying statue, that is the importance in Tanki Church. This statue, it is the importance means the story is telling the Jesus Christ's hair is growing. That is the reason so many tourists are visiting in this place. Through the record they are telling in Malayalam that story, what is the importance of this statue, when after the statues came to this church, what is happening, everything they are telling through in Malayalam. That is a recorded voice we can hear there. So importance this Jesus Christ's hair is growing. Around more than 8 years we are visiting this church. Very good feeling we will get. We are coming this church. This is Tanki Church. It will come the highway only after Cherthala railway station. There you will get the board also. Left hand side only. We can come inside around More than 4-5 kilometers come inside. This is a famous statue of Jesus Christ laying down.
ജനങ്ങളുടെ ഇടയിലെ ഭിന്നിപ്പും ഉച്ചനീചത്വങ്ങളും അകറ്റാൻ കർത്താവിന്റെ പീഡാസഹനങ്ങളെ ധ്യാനിക്കുവാനും
Now we are sitting in Tanki Church in nearby Cherthala. Now we are sitting the church. Okay. Now around 7:30 p.m. Today is the third day. No? Today is the third day of our drive. Now we are sitting here.
ഇവിടെ കാണാവുന്നതാണ്. ഈ രൂപം നിർമ്മിച്ചത് എവിടെയാണെന്നതിന് വ്യക്തമായ അറിവുകൾ ലഭ്യമല്ല. ഇടക്കൊച്ചി സെയിന്റ് ലോറൻസ് ദേവാലയത്തിൽ വെച്ച് ദൈവദാസൻ മോൺസിഞ്ഞോർ ലോറൻസ് കുടിയനത്ത് ഈ രൂപം വെഞ്ചരിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം തിരുമുഖത്തെ ചൈതന്യം കണ്ടിട്ട് ഈ രൂപം തങ്കിയെ തങ്കമാക്കുമെന്ന് പ്രവചിച്ചിരുന്നു. അക്ഷരാർത്ഥത്തിൽ ലോറൻസ് അച്ഛന്റെ പ്രവചനം പൂർത്തിയായി കഴിഞ്ഞു. രൂപവും വഹിച്ച് കെട്ടുവള്ളം തങ്കിയിലേക്കുള്ള യാത്രാമധ്യേ കൈതപ്പുഴ കായലിലെ തിരുവിതാംകൂർ കൊച്ചി അതിർത്തിയിൽ ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർ നികുതി ചോദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വഞ്ചി തടഞ്ഞു.
Now we are watching Tankipalli, Cherthala, Kerala. It's a famous church here. Now around 8 p.m. Our third day drive. Now we are in church. After visiting the church, we will continue our journey. Today we have no idea where we will stay. Just we want to visit the church. We visited. After Kovalam beach, the next destination is Tankipalli, Tanki Church. Come, shoo. Hi. It's a big church.
4 നൂറ്റാണ്ടിലധികം പഴക്കമുള്ള ദൈവാനുഗ്രഹം നിറഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കുന്ന ഈ ദേവാലയം
After Kovalam beach visiting, then we visited Tankipalli, Tanki Church in Cherthala. Around 8:30, up to 8:30 we are there. Then we leave, and today we completed our drive. Now we reached Angamali, an Indian Oil petrol pump on Angamali. It's a company owned petrol pump. So many around more than 8 years the traveling this route. We are spending 1 or 2 hours here regularly, and this day first we are staying here. This pump, yeah. Today we are staying night here, and tomorrow morning we will start our journey. And we are हम लोग इधर stop कर रहे हैं video. Keep watching our whole video. Please watch and first share and subscribe our channel, and bell button also you please click, and Facebook page also like. Keep watching. Without your support we can't make success, so please support us. Thank you.